Welcome back to the channel.
Today we are going to go check out the Chinese New Year overlay over at the Bellagio Conservatory.
We love doing this every year, so if you do too, please subscribe to the channel. Here's the backdrop. Oh, there's a Kung Fu Panda up there. That's pretty neat. Yeah, there's the backdrop. And they got the Year of the Snake stuff all around. Look at the middle area with the bamboo and stuff. Alright, it looks a little flashier than usual. Let's go check it out. Filled with festive family gatherings and scrumptious feasts, Lunar New Year is an exuberant celebration that honors the arrival of each year's corresponding zodiac animal. Those born in the Year of the Snake are said to be intuitive, charming, and successful. There's a big dragon. Look at that. Look at that flowers. A red dragon. I guess it's a red snake. That looks really cool. And then in the background they have fireworks going off on their digital screens. Little koi fish down there with a dragon. Billowy silk ornaments of festive red and gold float high overhead amid decorative strings of intrinsically detailed golden coins representing wealth, prosperity, and hope for abundance in the coming year. Yeah, we actually learned that in the previous ones. Some of the beautiful plants that you can see. Oh, and they brought the koi fish back. Look at them just hanging out. And here's the big old snake. Look at that. And then there's red balloons and coins in the ceiling. Check out the golden tree. There's even a panda over there made out of plants. And another golden tree. And the fireworks and firecrackers in the distance. That's really cool. Playful koi fish sprouts water into the tranquil pond, inviting reflections on life's ever-flowing beauty and joy. Symbolizing the balance and harmony found in nature, ponds are often used in landscapes to create a peaceful environment. Oh, and look, he jumped. It's also interesting, it's also interesting that you're not supposed to throw coins, and you can see a person over there throwing coins. This is about the serpent, a 28-foot tall serpent made of vibrant flora materials adorned with images of radiant red peonies presides over the scene. Highlighting the Year of the Snake, the majestic creature is revered for its wisdom and transformative qualities, while peons, known as the king of flowers, are often associated with nobility, prosperity, and new beginnings. So there's the beautiful serpent. Right by our big koi fish friend. There's even some down there, just hanging out. And you got this guy. That's pretty cool. I love the golden dragons. Watch as schools of vibrant koi fish glide gracefully through the tranquil pond, their scales shimmering in hues of orange, white, and black. Known for their ability to swim a stream, kois are often associated with strength, resilience, and prosperity. And don't throw coins in the fountain, y'all. So this is on the other side, away from the serpent. There's a panda, just hanging out, chilling, holding that. And then there's another one up there. On either side of the display, money trees towering over 24 foot tall are adorned with 88 gleaming gold I Ching coins, providing dazzling cover for the pandas playing below. The number 88 is considered lucky in several Asian cultures and is believed to bring good fortune. There's the trees. Kind of see that one over in the distance a little better. That's the golden trees. Gazing at the glimmering strands of Chinese I Ching coins above, as well as the gold oval blocks below, known as ingots, take a moment to wish good fortune upon those you cherish. Featured during Lunar New Year and other celebrations, the gold coins and ingots are symbols of prosperity and wealth. So there's the ingot. People threw coins in there too. And then there's the coins up above. Pretty neat. The panda looks really cool. It's fascinating that they do this all out of flowers. And if you go into the parking structure, you can actually see the extra flowers they have to kind of fix it throughout the time it's here. That's a beautiful landscape. Another one of the big trees. But then they also have bamboo over here. Pretty cool. Now we're going to the main display in a second, but we got one more area to look at. Check out the main display. It's got his little cart going over a bridge. Firecrackers. Fireworks. Really nice. And they're playing, I think, mahjong. A traditional wooden bridge spanning 48 feet arches gracefully across the shimmering water below, symbolizing connection, harmony, and a pathway to prosperity. The bridge serves as a festive gathering place for family and friends.
Pandas in this one.
Yeah.
It's so pretty, honestly.
Yeah, I love the pandas. I love the reds and the gold. There's the bridge for you. Jubilant children and pandas frolic to and fro amid the elegant flowers and bamboo as brilliant bursts of colorful fireworks fill the air. Who do you think is winning the game of mahjong between the gentle old panda Coco and her precarious new friend Jing? There's Jing. There's Coco. Yeah, there's some kumquats on the tree back there. Who do you think's winning the mahjong gang? Let us know in the show notes. She's going with Coco? Yeah, that's her bet, Coco. They always have some beautiful flowers by Sadel's, which is right there. And then they got this. There's the little candles burning. Another view of the bridge and the fireworks going off. This would look awesome at night, y'all. Look at that, that's cool. Towering over the jubilant scene is a 24-foot, 5-inch tall structure inspired by the Temple of the Six Banyan Trees, built in Guangzhou, China, sorry for butchering that, during the 6th century. Over time, it became a tradition for parents to bring children there for blessings and to connect them to their spiritual heritage. Yeah, it looks good. We've seen this like every year for the last few years. They've had this in the Chinese New Year one. It's really cool. I always love how they integrate water into all of these displays. You know, you got the bridge, you got the koi ponds, you got that waterfall in the distance there. It looks really good.
I love the fireworks.
You love the fireworks? So what are you thinking of this year's display?
It's really cool. Last year had the like animatronic dragons, which was really cool. But this one's really pretty and very peaceful, like very chill and very serene.
Except for the people here.
Yeah, the people are not chill.
The backside of the bridge and the backside of water. Yeah, look at that. That's cool. I love the cart in the middle. It's really neat. They got the panda. They got the big centerpiece that they always do. And then there's 2 other pandas on the side. That's pretty cool. This is always in the back corner, so definitely check that out when you're here. 2 more pandas climbing the bamboo. You get it, Pandy. You get it.
I love like all the different plants. Like when you look down into like the foliage down here, there's like so many different plants. You've got a lot of different colors.
Feel the joy of the playful pandas at the heart of the display. Bow and me, meaning treasure and beauty, respectfully. Pandas signify friendship and peace, and their distinctive black and white coloring speaks to the yin and yang in Asian culture, offering guests a balanced and tranquil New Year. Oh, jeez. Macy's saying how she likes all the roses.
Well, and then like back there, that's like purple and green and red in those roses. So like I really wonder how they got such vibrant colors.
She was saying too, she likes the interplay of all the different colors in the little areas. So make sure you look down and check out the flowers that surround the actual sculptures.
Random pink carnations like that.
Oh yeah, good catch. There's a random pink carnation back there. Just one, yeah. A bunch of the kumquats, I think is what they are. Check out the food cart. I think they're offerings, I'm guessing, for the New Year. Are they selling them?
I think they're offerings.
Macy thinks they're offerings. It's really cool. Another shot of the beautiful flowers that just kind of surround the exhibit. 2 merry knick-knack peddlers captivate children and their parents with whimsical stories as they entice them to buy decorative crafts, toy wands, and other trinkets. Inspired by ancient Chinese art depicting the story of the knick-knack peddlers, the scene represents the joy of simple pleasures, learning, and new beginnings. So he is the knick-knack, or well, they are the knick-knack peddlers. Okay, so it's not an offering, it's things to buy. Look at that, that's really cool. Representing renewal and the flow of life, the graceful waterfall glides forth like a painter's brush across the canvas. The water used in Bellagio's Conservatory and Botanical Gardens come from on-site underground wells, comprising of 100% rain and recycled water for the resort. There's the water feature. Look at that bridge. That's really cool. There's like a bird cage up there too. I don't think there's, oh, I think there are actual live birds in there. A little bit closer of a shot of that cart for you. It's really cool. I like the teapots hanging in the air and stuff. Are they trying to catch humans with tea? Is that what we're doing? If you're interested in the garden table, Noodles is the reservations place. There's the reservations.
It's the most awkward dining reservation you can have because when we did it, everybody was just staring at us the whole time.
Well, like they're staring at these folks, having their dining reservations under this nice little temple. That's really cool. It's a fun experience though, and so worth it if you come here and want to do it. Our stunning blue and white porcelain pagoda offers a magical setting in which to savor a dining experience like no other. The garden table at the Bellagio. Featuring authentic regional dishes from Noodles Pan-Asian restaurant, highlights of the specialty curated menu include a delectable 8-item dim sum platter, as well as wealthy salt and pepper lobster tail and longevity noodles and more. And that's right next to this, but there's the water feature over here with some more koi fish. This looks really good. Then you got the teacup over here, we'll check out in a second. An ode to the revered Chinese art form of Quai-Gana. Larger-than-life porcelain sculptures featuring intrinsic blue designs painted on a white background. Quinhaya, wow, I'm butchering this and I apologize for that, which means blue flower in English, originated over 1,000 years ago and is celebrated for its fine beauty and craftsmanship. You like those flowers?
No, I said these flowers, right?
No, this is about this cup. It's about the blue, that's what that's about. And there's the porcelain feature there. Check out some of the flowers on the other side. I love the cherry blossom tree too. It's really good. So Nacy said off camera, cherry blossom is her favorite tree.
I want to get a tattoo of it up my side.
Let's check out the table. Again, there's some more porcelain in the distance. Cherry blossom trees. Enchanting cherry blossom trees delight onlookers with bursts of brilliant pink and white blooms. Associated with good luck and renewal, cherry blossoms are celebrated in many cultures for their delicate nature and sense of fleeting beauty. There you go, there's your cherry blossoms. History. Well, I guess kind of what it means to the Chinese New Year. There's another cherry blossom tree over in that corner. And then more of that blue and white pottery. Wow, look at that guy. These kois are huge, y'all. I hear that kois can basically grow indefinitely to the size of the area where they are. So that doesn't surprise me that they just keep on getting bigger.
They're also really expensive.
Well, they're also really expensive? They're basically goldfish, y'all. Check out that pottery. There's one in the back too I'll try to get from the other side. It looks gorgeous. I love the cherry blossom tree though. That is really cool. Look at that. Behold the breathtaking collection of cherry blossoms suspended elegantly above. Each stunning sculpture is meticulously crafted in the cloisonnic tradition, an ornate Chinese art technique used for decorating metal objects that dates back to the 13th century. Look at that. It's really cool. That's so cool. I love it. Look at that vase in the distance that we can get a better shot of now. And all like the plants growing there. Some of them aren't looking so hot. And then we go down to the koi pond. Again, don't put coins in the koi pond. It's a gorgeous display. I mean, this is just a gorgeous display. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. And then you basically have this other side, which is the same as the other side, just kind of flipped. Yeah, this place is really gorgeous. Oh, Macy's got one more sign. The center of our display pays homage to the lucky envelope tradition in which monetary gifts are given during the Lunar New Year to offer blessings and good luck to loved ones and friends. Known as Hongbao in Chinese, the cherished custom dates back thousands of years. So that's what these envelopes are.
They did give us a red envelope when we went to Din Tai Fung.
What'd you say now?
They did give us an envelope when we went to Din Tai Fung.
They did, yeah. Apparently the Din Tai Fung wants to be our friends. I'll be friends with you, Din Tai Fung. Immerse yourself in a multi-sensory experience filled with brilliantly animated fireworks, specially curated music, and a bespoke holiday scent called Charisma. Featured bright pomelo, white tea, and warm sandalwoods, Charisma-scented candles are available for purchase at the Ghirardelli store, near the conservatory, where you may scan QR code below to choose from the complete Conservancy fragrance collection. Sorry for butchering so much this entire time. This is the first sign. And if you really want to smell the smell, the best is the back corner by Sadel's, which is where we smelled it the best. The rest of it kind of gets drowned out because there's so many people here. Look at those plants. So that's a cool plant. I like that one. It looks kind of like a fire burst in the sky. That's really cool looking. I like the reds and the orange. It's gorgeous display from this one last look before we head out. It's just so good looking. I love it. All right, that concludes our trip here to the Bellagio Conservancy. If you want to see us eat at the garden table, check that out in the show notes.
It is so busy down here. It's Valentine's Day. People are popping, and honestly, it's busy. It's so busy.
It's
but
very busy.
The display was actually really beautiful. My favorite probably are the panda bears and the cherry blossom trees.
I like that big snake, and then I just like the whole bridge scene with the cart going over it. That was gorgeous with the waterfall in the background. Honestly, the whole thing's amazing, but those two are my highlights.
So definitely keep this spot in mind if you are looking for something free to do when you're down here in Las Vegas. And also, don't dissuade coming here at night, because coming here at night sometimes the crowds are low and you get a whole different ambiance than you do during the day.
Yeah, 2 legit tips. If you want to see it without so much crowds, early morning or late night is your go-to.
So if you guys like this kind of content, make sure you give it a thumbs up.
Make sure to hit that subscribe button.
And ring that notification bell so you get notified when we do at least 3 videos a week.
And we'll come and get you all for the next one.
Ain't that the truth, baby Roo?
Bye, everybody.
Bye. We just wanted to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, would you please consider hitting that subscribe button, as it helps us reach a wider audience and helps our channel grow even further. To those of you who are already subscribed to the channel, we just wanted to say a huge thank you for always being there and supporting our channel. We cannot wait to take you guys on our next adventure, so we'll see you guys in the next one.